whispered a story told. I reach for light through eyes unknown. In love, I find what feels like home. You're my mirror of dreams, my reflection of stars, a dance through the distance, no matter how far. The lines of illusion and truth intertwine in the echo of love. Your soul meets through clouds of hope and shades of pain. I've learned to love through loss and gain. The tender truth behind the haze teaches me love in endless ways. Every heart I meet, a tide